YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now with your family members and everywhere you will be live now. So guys, like the latest car parking traffic jam 30 game available now, and I will be helping to you how to be complete to be this game levels because many people request me on my video section. So guys, you will be completely watching my video because I will be helping to you, and I hope you will be never skipping my video and completely watching my video because I will be helping to you more than more, and request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and sharing my video everywhere. So let's start this video, and I hope you will be end up watching this video. You will be complete to be 500 level. This is the more easily this game not to be hard. I will be completely guide to you and helping to you. You will be easily complete to be this game. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game, and I will be playing on this game and to be teaching to you how to be complete to be this game. This is the everything more easily, not to be anything else. If you want, I will be making for you all of games video more easily now this game, and not to be anything else, just to be watching now, and I will be completely helping to you. Okay. Okay guys, let us start in game. How about this game easily now, only just to be request you be end up watching this video because I will be helping to you how to be complete to be these games. Okay, not to be anything, and if you want people asking me please making videos, so then I will be making video for you because just to be I will be helping to you every time every day. You will be see guys, you will be checking how much easily I will be complete to be this games and you will be also to be complete to be this game easily not to be anything hard. Tap on these sections. Many of this is the codes available below. Okay guys, because they give you like the moves. So this game, guys, you will be easily to be understand or how to be complete to be this games, because sometime people not to be understand, but I will be explain you all about this games. Okay, this is the all everything more easily, no not to be anything hard. So thank you so much for you watching my video, and request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.